Look! They're rehearsing for the show.
Angus! They're not real swans. They're ballerinas.
Right, dancers? Let's rehearse.
Nanny?
You mean Madame Nanny? I am the world-famous Swan Lake choreographer. Where are my star dancers? It's not long till showtime.
They're gone. Our dog Angus chased them away. Sorry.
Oh dear, it won't be much of a show without dancers.
Don't worry, we can do it.
Really? That would be wonderful.
Will there be an audience?
Of course. We've a very special family coming today to see the show.
I'm not sure.
You did say that you always wanted to try ballet, Saul.
How about you do the rehearsal when there's no one around and then see how you feel after that?
Okay, that does sound like fun.
Excellent. Now, into your costumes and let's get rehearsing. And spin and dip. Wow, Saul, are you sure you're not a professional ballet dancer?
No, I'm not. But I would like to be.
Yes, Saul, you're really good.
Whoa, I'm not sure I can do it now.
Remember what Nanny said. Let the music sweep you along.
That's very good advice. But don't worry, Saul. If you don't feel comfortable, then you don't need to do it. It's fine.
What's that?
Sounds like someone's crying.
Angus, where have you been?
Why did you chase the swans away? Naughty doggy. Okay, Angus. Can you help us find out who's crying? This way. Aw, are you okay, tiny doll?
She's so small, she'll never see Swan Lake over the taller dolls in front of her.
Oh no, it's a pity she doesn't have a long neck like a swan.
I have an idea. Maybe we can help the tiny doll get a better view with her very own swan neck seat.
Great idea, Saul.
With this swan neck seat, the tiny doll will have the best view in the house.
Brilliant mod, Saul. Yay!
You know, I don't think that cheeky dog dislikes swans at all. He just chased my dancers away so that he could have the spotlight all for himself.
Well, Saul, now that Angus is out there, there's no need to dance in front of all those people if you don't want to.